This is a 2-scoop order for Adrienne. She likes Keroppi, My Melody, Usahana, and Hello Kitty. She doesn't want any hair accessories, mini notebooks, or bricks. Keep an eye out for my little brain fart later. Two canvas bags. Plus one more. Two notebooks. Plus two more. One pen. Plus four more. One highlighter. Plus one more. One mechanical pencil. Let's add this blind box mechanical pencil. Two mini notebooks. Let's add four more. One eraser. Plus one more. One tape. One washi tape. Let's add two more. And this is where I realized my mistake and exchanged them for two notebooks. One clear pouch. One sticky note. Let's add five more. Three keychains. Let's exchange the last one for a beaded charm. Two stickers. Plus four more. One scenery sticker. Plus three more. Two plush keychains. Let's add two more. Two plush pencil bags. One pencil case. Plus one more. One mouse pad. Plus one more. I'm exchanging one scrunchie, one claw clip, and one hair clip for one wallet and 2 coin purses. One comb. One eye mask. Plus one more. One Taba squishy. One pin badge. Let's add 3 more. One bracelet, plus 1 more. One mini charm, plus 1 more. 4 acrylic clips. Let's make it 8. Okay, Adrienne, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.